This video will teach you the complete guide to lucid dreaming and how it transforms your life. Lucid dreaming is a technique that is used to achieve the goal of being aware of one's dreams while they are happening. The term lucid dreaming was coined by Dutch psychiatrist Frederik van Eeden in 1913. He described lucid dreams as dreams in which the person is aware that he or she is dreaming. Lucid dreaming can be achieved through various techniques such as meditation, self-suggestion, and mental discipline. Now we will learn what lucid dreaming is and how does it differ from regular dreams. Lucid dreaming is a state of consciousness that occurs during sleep. It's when you are dreaming but you're aware that you're dreaming. It is different from regular dreams in that the person experiencing the lucid dream can have some degree of control over what happens in the dream, and they may also be able to consciously experience things which they would not usually be able to do while awake. Lucid dreaming has been studied extensively by psychologists, psychiatrists, and neuroscientists. Now I will tell you how to start lucid dreaming in 5 easy steps. Lucid dreaming is not a new phenomenon, but it has been gaining more attention in recent years. Lucid dreaming has many benefits, including improved self-awareness and creativity. It also provides an opportunity to explore your fears without any danger. You can even use lucid dreaming to help you solve problems in your waking life. What are you waiting for? Follow these 4 steps to start lucid dreaming today. Number 1. Dream journaling. Dream journaling is an essential practice for lucid dreaming. As a lucid dreamer, your dream journal is a very essential practice, and I can't stress this enough. Keeping a dream journal overall increases your chances of lucid dreaming even without doing anything else. If you keep a proper dream journal, you will begin to notice various dream signs that can be used to trigger lucid dreams. Number 2. Reality checks. Now what is a reality check? A reality check is simply a test you do in the waking reality to see if you are dreaming or not. If these reality checks are done properly, you will likely perform them in your dreams. Once they are done in the dream world, they will likely fail, and this will trigger lucidity in your dreams. Some examples of reality checks are sticking your finger through your palm and expect it to go through. Now, if you do this in the real world, your finger won't go through your palm, but in the dream world your finger will most likely go through your palm, triggering lucidity. Another famous reality check is pinching your nose and expect to breathe through your pinched nose. I know all these reality checks might seem weird, but this is one of the best ways to trigger lucidity. Just ask yourself if you are dreaming. Pinch your nose and expect to breathe through it. If you were in a dream, you would likely breathe through your pinched nose. Number 3. The mild technique. MILD stands for mnemonic induction of lucid dreaming. This is a very simple lucid dreaming technique. All you have to do is repeat yourself before you go to sleep that you will have a lucid dream. As you repeat the phrase, you will have to visualize yourself becoming lucid in the dream. I will explain this better in another video, so stay tuned. Number 4. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, you heard me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. As a lucid dreamer, you need to surround yourself with as many lucid dreaming content as possible, and you will find very interesting content on this channel. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. And finally, number 5. Try again. Lucid dreaming is a skill that requires time to develop. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it on your first night. Just write down your dreams and try again the next night. Trust me, if you are consistent with this, the result will be worth it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I post a new video you will be notified and you can start making things happen.